Okay guys, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a detailed update on the go-kart. I know I haven't done much talking about it actually, but right now I'm trying to mount these, but every time the wheel turns too much, it gets in the way and hits that, which is annoying. So I have to adjust these. Right now I don't have the tie rod hooked in, but I'm going to hook that in. I have these two big metal mounts, metal brackets, and this big long metal bar that I'm going to use to mount a bumper across the front there. Currently I have the front off because I have to make a bracket that holds the steering rack. That way it's not just moving around. Got the brake and the gas pedal. I have to hook those up. See, I have wires running back already. This is the wire for the brake. As you can see, it's not, the brake isn't really working right now. I have, this is actually the wall for the back. I have it off right now, just so that I can get to the gears of the cover off. That way I can get to the gears of the engine and the torque converter. And I have the Wheeze 20 amp 12 volt battery hooked up. I have, for electric start, I have it on jacks right now because I would drive it, but the brake down here is not actually working. It's pulling, but it's not pulling hard enough, and I've tried adjusting the screw and everything, but for some reason I just can't get it to pull hard enough. I don't know why, so if any of you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. I got the 8 horsepower 440cc Duramax engine. Duramax is a great brand. Totally recommend their work, their engines. The electric start makes it a lot easier. Got the support beams in the back. Just before I can do another test, all I have to do is get the brake working and get the cables ran from the front up there, front all the way up there to the back, down here to the throttle slider, and I have to figure out the brake. So yeah, it's a little bit of a mess in there right now. But yeah, all I have to do to get another test in the old go-kart is finish hooking up the tie rods and fix the brake.